Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. My name is Tracy, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you guys my unfurnished apartment tour. And I have been off YouTube for like too long, and I miss you guys. I miss making content, I miss making videos. I've been a little bit more active on my Instagram, so if you guys want to stay in touch with me, you guys can go and follow me on there at queen.tracy. I needed to take a break because I was like, making money moves. You think an apartment is easy to get? It's not. It's just like really draining, and I was working and saving and doing a lot of stuff that I needed to do in order to gather my life. And I was making money moves, boss moves, and that's exactly how I ended up with this apartment. I thank God for being able to have this apartment. I'm excited for you guys to see what my apartment looks like. This is the unfurnished apartment tour. Of course, the furnished apartment tour is coming when my whole place is furnished completely, and a room tour and everything like that, and anything that you guys want related to my home, my house. You guys make sure to comment down below, and also you guys can leave questions if you guys have any questions about the apartment process. I moved back to New York City. I lived here 2 years ago when I was a freshman in college, and I was in the dorm. The dirty dorm. But now I'm here in my own spot, my own crib, my own place. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have one roommate. You guys will meet her. Her name is Tamia. She's great. She's amazing. She's one of my close friends. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see what my place looks like. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Okay, honey, so here's my front door, and here is my coat closets for our guests to put up their shoes and put up their coats. We're gonna use a top for storage, but we have a shoe rack on the bottom. And then moving on, we are gonna go, that's our full view. And then here is our bathroom. I love our bathroom, particularly the sink and the mirror. I don't know about y'all. And I didn't have this obsession before, but like ever since my best friend pointed it out, I've been obsessed with our sink and how it's like constructed. You guys will see. But here's our full length mirror in there. We have storage. It's a little medicine cabinet. Nothing in there yet, of course. And then where we hang our towels, our hand towels, and then the sink. Like, tell me that sink is not beautiful. And then there's the mirror and our shower right next to it. I'm so happy we have a bathtub. Let me tell y'all, I thought we were not going to have one because a lot of the places we were looking at had stand-up showers, but I'm really happy with the fact that we have one. Here is our washer and dryer in unit. If you guys live in NYC or know anything about living in NYC, washer and dryer in unit is a blessing from up above. Here's our kitchen. Do you see the kitchen? Do you see the dark wood? Like, I don't know if y'all understand how obsessed I am, but like, period. And what do you think that is? What do you think that is? That's our motherfucking fridge. Talk about it. I don't know about y'all, but the dark wood really, it's really the dark wood for me. And then here is our apartment view from the other side. And here's our dishwasher, just so y'all just in case y'all were confused, you know? And then here's our little living space where we'll have our TV and our little dining table. And then this is my bedroom. We have a big window. We have two big windows, one in each room. It's amazing because even though it's not floor to ceiling, it's damn near close, and I love natural sunlight. And did y'all see that chandelier? I'm just so happy to be living here. And then this is Tamia's room. She has like, I guess what you would call the master bedroom. So her bedroom has a closet. And in case you guys didn't notice, mine does not. So if you guys would like to see, actually, no, you guys will see in my furnished apartment tour and room tour where I keep my clothes. And that is my apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are excited to see how the decor comes out. I hope you guys are excited to see how my room comes out, because y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. It's you guys didn't really see my room back home at all, but just know the vibes are different. The energy is different. I'm different. This break was very much needed. I needed to gather my life. You know, like I told you guys in the beginning, I needed to get things in order so that I could really make this move happen how it happened. And I'm just so blessed and happy to be here. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys are excited to see my future in the city. If you guys have any questions about my life, city life, getting an apartment in the city, like, you guys can comment down below. I could answer them in another video if you guys would like. But yes, and you guys will also be seeing my roommate a lot in my weekend vlogs, because I'm back in the city, baby. It's up every weekend, so but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.